Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, John. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Judy. And yes, Judy reminds us with the Mexican flag that today is Mexican Independence Day. So, Viva Mexico. Good morning, Mariela. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we're going to continue exploring the obstacles to sympathetic joy. Um, Looking today a little bit at boredom. And mudita, the Pali or Sanskrit word for sympathetic joy, so the state of mudita is also said to eliminate boredom, which is quite interesting, right? Well, it is true because sympathetic joy gives us so many reasons to feel happy and connected, while boredom is based on a sense of separateness and that turning away that we feel when we experience certain degrees of aversion. When we stop paying attention to the little things in life, and the little things in our meditation practice as well. We find ourselves in a state of boredom. By reconnecting to all the little things, we effectively awaken again and again to a delightful kind of openness to the interconnectedness of all that is. And we are able to bring in our beginner's mind. So taking the time to marvel at a little flower as it creeps up through a crack in the pavement, we can feel joy, even though we are aware that this planet is in a very severe ecological crisis. So one doesn't cancel the other. You're spacious enough to experience both. Despite the hatred and monstrous egoism evident in some human actions, remembering the fortitude, courage, and love people are capable of can also awaken our appreciation, and again we become more spacious than any one thing before us. When we're touched by things, moved by the actions of people, we open to what is around us. When we feel happy for others, we feel happy and connected ourselves. And the separation and dullness of boredom is dissolved. To be able to notice this less obvious beauty in the world, to appreciate it, to change perspective for a time, is a type of quiet, stillness, a way of rest. And we do this by being fully aware in each moment, well, as much as we can. If we simply feel the miracle of being present, a kind of appreciation grown along with a kind of joy. Attending to the small things in front of us becomes a way of self-renewal, self-refreshment. So let's explore this together today with one of our all-time favorites, the beginner's mind practice. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to ground, connect with the earth. Acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice today, internal and external. With each breath, reminding yourself of the interconnectedness of everything there is, dissolving this separation boundary. Maybe scan your body from top to bottom and just notice what's present. See if you can feel the support of the ground in whatever position you are. And now allow yourself to rest in just one breath, taking this breath with a beginner's mind. This breath, and now this one, as if you are experiencing it for the very first time. How does this breath flow in your body? How does your body respond to breathing? Are you breathing your body, or your body is breathing you? A gentle exploration, keeping kind attention on your body and your mind. Bring a gentle smile to your lips and allow the smile to fill your entire body. Feel that your whole body is smiling gently. And now keeping part of your attention on this anchor, whether it's your breath or a particular sensation on the body. Turn your awareness to your internal narrative, not with obsession, not with the purpose of analysis, but rather with a curiosity, with interest, observing your internal narrative like a scientist in a lab. What's happening there? Let's see. Gradually start applying beginner's mind to whatever you find. And whenever your attention is pulled away from your primary anchor, whether it's your breath or your body sensation, gently name that which distracted you and shift your focus to it temporarily, making this the object of your observation. Allow yourself to look at this experience with freshness, as if this is happening to you for the very first time. This sensation, this thought, this emotion. Does it have a texture, a color? Does it have a number, a shape, a musical tone? Stay with each of these experiences until it passes, or until you become at ease with it. And at that point, return to your primary anchor, your body, your breath, until something pulls you away from it again, and you make that the object of your beginner's mind meditation, exploring it as if for the very first time. I'm going to keep quiet for the next couple of minutes, letting you connect with your direct experience, whatever that may be, pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. Notice if there is any sense of boredom in this exercise for you. It's okay if that happens. Just remind yourself that if you apply beginner's mind to any experience, you can look at it as if for the very first time. You can again and again find new tones, new colors, new textures in each of the mundane, habitual experiences that we so easily dismiss because they seem familiar. But are they really? Experiencing everything as if it's completely unknown, because it is completely unknown. You have no idea how each experience may unfold, even if you think you do. And as you continue your practice, I would like to share a poem with you from Dana Folds. It's called Dancing with the Wind. There is wind so strong, it blows song lyrics composed in New Orleans up to the valleys to the Blue Ridge. Sorry, I'm butchering it. Trees sway like women singing the blues, like grandmothers rocking children. Like the center of the universe is rhythm, not a fixed point. There is wind so fierce, it clears out anything that doesn't belong here and leaves me clean as newly written notes played for the very first time on a silver flute. The melody tickles my feet until I dance like the trees and gulp great gusts of air. I stop to rest only after I am completely spent, drunk on the energy of the evening, hair so tangled with wind knots that I play the part of the wild woman, empress of the sky, a gypsy sent to tell the world's fortune and weave magic into dreams. The wind blows straight to the heart of the unknown, and without a pause, I follow it home. So as you go through your day today, I invite you to pause for a few moments here and there and connect with your direct experience as if it's happening for you for the very first time. And tell yourself that you don't know how it's going to unfold, and see if you can step into this unknown without a pause, knowing that it will take you home. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.